Early agricultural dynasties of China developed along the Yellow River. The Xia dynasty established a long-lasting tradition of hereditary monarchical rule in China. Metallurgy developed in this dynasty as it provided strong tools and weapons to expand and extend farming land and territorial gains. The Shang dynasty later pushed the Xia dynasty out of control. However, the Xia were already losing power as the Shang emerged. The Shang further developed the use of metallurgy. They built strong chariots, weapons, and ritual-based vessels out of bronze. Both the Xia and Shang dynasties did not exercise centralized power. Rather, they cooperated with village leaders. The Shang capital at Ao also served as a cultural center protected by a defensive wall. The Shang dynasty was then replaced by the Zhou dynasty. The Zhou claimed that the Shang emperor lived an extravagant lifestyle at the expense of Chinese citizens. In this argument, the Zhou established a foundational tradition of Chinese culture that would persist until the early 1900s. This would be called the Mandate of Heaven. The Zhou argued that events on earth were influenced by the will of heaven. Therefore, when poverty and famine run rampant, it is heaven's way of removing its blessing from the emperor at that time. Like the previous dynasties, the Zhou dynasty did not run a strongly centralized state. They relied on subordinates who pledged allegiance to the emperor. Over time, these subordinate leaders claimed power for themselves, thereby weakening the Zhou dynasty.